I'm not sure that the perfect restaurant exists, but the food at Barraca is absolutely incredible. If you want to come to Bali just for the food, it's worth the trip. The food here in Bali is fresh, it's so good, it's so tasty. It makes your stomach very happy. You've got this amazing Italian restaurant that I love going to. I'm kind of one of those guys that when I find something I like, I stick to it. So I go to Barraca on a regular basis when I'm here. The pizza, the pasta, it's really, really good. And it's owned by Italians. Italians in Bali that serve.
Yeah, the name of the restaurant is La Baracca. That means like a shack, like bad construction, old. That's why our interiors are like this. Everything is reused and vintage. Winter stuff, lots of around the island. You can find many, many things in Bali. And then some we carried from Italy. Sometimes we go back in Italy, we get some nice things. Everything started because of surfing. That's the real beginning. I started to surf with Alex when I was 12 and he was 11. He became a very good surfer and he was coming here in Bali yearly to surf. I used to be in Australia with Freddie, and Alex has this idea in his mind, so he called me and asked me if I wanted to do this project with him. And we started this project with me, Alex, Carol, the wife, and Fabrizio, the other guy from Roma.
David is more caring about the kitchen and about like the interior of our restaurant. It's more like the artistic part of our restaurant.
Federico is the best in the floor. There is no one like him. No one. He's the biggest inspiration for me in the floor.
For me, it's more the people. It's to have the touch, the contact with people. When I'm inside my restaurant, to look around every table, if the food is okay, if the service is okay, if people are happy to be in our place, if the vibes is good. To care about that. This is my passion. It's what I love.
The inspiration for the menu, I have to say that Bali was a big inspiration. I came here and I didn't know almost anything about vegan. Yeah, vegetarian, yes, of course, but vegan, nothing. It was completely a new world. So I got a lot of inspiration here.
The head chef is amazing, very passionate in what she does, and she loves cooking and experimenting with new things.
I love cooking because I really like to see people like happy when they eat like nice food. I love to feed up people. And I like to try something new. So with food, I can make everything, right? I can make some experiment about food. They give me time. They please me to make what I want to make here. So that's why I really love them, because they're really nice here.
For many things, and also the quality of the life is amazing. We love Bali. I think if you stay and be here in Bali, you get in love with this island.